In today's Vikram on Prudent Finances video, we are sharing Merchant Lender with you. This is definitely one of the best platforms out there as far as getting business funding fast is concerned. Otherwise, business funding is not very easy to receive. If at all it is, then the money in question is very small. Here you can get as much as up to $1 million. And finally, the speed with which approval happens, the speed with which money is actually credited to your account is much faster over here. So therefore, taking all of these factors into consideration, we definitely wholeheartedly recommend Merchant Lender. You can see the advantages right in front of you. The fact that funds are in as letters 20-48 hours, you get free consultation, and the approval rate is extremely high. It's as high as 98%, which means that out of 100 there's only two who actually do not get approval. 98 they do get approval. And then in terms of funding, it doesn't matter what kind of business are you looking for. So you can look at the kind of people who actually receive funding, that too, very easily, and irrespective of the kind of business that they were into. And to prove our point, what we've done is we provided the direct link to this page where you can review all of this information yourself. And beyond that, you can see for yourself. See, if we compare Merchant Lender with, let's say, a bank loan or a small business loan, you'll find that there are so many negatives in the other two instances. For instance, if we look at bank loan in particular, the process is not fast, the application procedure is rather complex, approval takes time, you do not have money overnight, repayments are never easy, bad credit is not accepted, and the approval rate is way below 98%. Likewise, if you look at small business loans, the process may be fast, the approval rate may be very good, the rates may be competitive, but other aspects, they are not so good. Application process is not easy, the approval time is much longer, the money takes time to come, the repayments are very complex, and bad credit is not accepted. None of these negatives apply in case of Merchant Lender. Therefore, we definitely recommend that you jump onto this page. As we mentioned, the link is there, and you go ahead and start applying right away. This is a button which you can use to go through with the procedure. You can initiate the process of applying for a loan with Merchant Lender over here. And if you look at the steps to fast funding is concerned, the sign up process is practically done in seconds. It's really short. Beyond that, you quickly get approved, and funding comes into your account in as little as 48 hours or 2 days. And no matter what kind of loan you're looking for, you will easily get that. So whether it's an unsecured or a secured small business loan, whether it's, say, let's say, a merchant cash advance, a short term business loan, working capital loan, inventory, factoring, or equipment loan, an SBA loan, a business line of credit, it doesn't matter. You can get all of this with the Merchant Lender. So go ahead and make the most of this opportunity. That's our message for today in our Vikram on Prudent Finances video.